Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, LED headlights, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.